welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Anna, and today I'm going to come at you with a what's for dinner. And in this video I have two dinners that I'm going to be doing. The first one is going to be an Alfredo cheese tortellini dish, so let's get right into the video. Alright, so as most of you know, I do have a big family. I'm a family of 7, and a lot of my meals definitely will be catered around that with having a big family, and I love to do meals that are also easy as well. So I'm going to go ahead and boil the cheese tortellini. Once it's finished boiling and draining it, I'm going to go ahead and put in the Alfredo sauce. Again, guys, just easy meals for a big family. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and put in 2 jars of the Alfredo sauce, and you can use whatever Alfredo sauce you like. You can even make, homemade and make your own as well, you guys. So I'm just going to put in 2 jars of the Alfredo sauce that I have. And guys, if you like these type of videos, please don't forget to, definitely give it a thumbs up and share wherever you share your videos at. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well, you guys, to see more content like this as well. And next I'm going to get the vegetable medley mix that I get from Sam's, and I'm going to go ahead and put that in the microwave to go ahead and steam. It actually steams in a bag, so I'm going to go ahead and put that in the microwave, and then after that I'm going to go ahead and dump it in the Alfredo cheese tortellini and mix it all together. Alright, you guys, here it is, all done, all mixed in. You guys, this was such an easy meal. Basically just boiling the cheese tortellini, steaming the vegetables in the microwave, mixing it all together in an Alfredo sauce, and there it is, you guys. This was so good. Served with the roll on the side, or you can add a salad if you want. So we're going to go ahead and go on to dish number 2. Alright, y'all, so for dish number 2, I'm going to go ahead and get some vegetables in a pan. I have cut up some tomatoes, shredded carrots, the purple onion, a yellow pepper, and also some asparagus. So basically just putting that in a pan, put some olive oil over it and some seasoning. I'm going to go ahead and roast those in the oven. While the vegetables are roasting in the oven, I'm going to go ahead and get my noodles boiled, and you can use any noodles that you want. I'm just going to use up some of the noodles I had left over from the low carb noodles that I had purchased. I'm going to use the fettuccine, and I also have a little bit of the penne left, so I just mix that together. I'm just going to use the pasta that I'm just trying to finish up. So you can use any pasta that you like. Go ahead and get that boiled while the vegetables are roasting. And next I just have some shrimp that I'm gonna finish just sauteing up in a little bit of olive oil and butter and seasoning. And then, you guys, I had a small piece of salmon, so I figured I'd go ahead and just put this in the air fryer just to go alongside the dish. So once the vegetables finish roasting and the shrimps are done, I'm just going to mix it all in with the pasta, and the sauce for this dish is going to be a pesto sauce. So I'm going to go ahead and let you guys finish watching the video. Alright, y'all, so once everything was mixed in, I just got a lemon and squeezed some fresh lemon juice over top just to give it another added layer of flavor. Alright, y'all, so this is the finished dish, the shrimp and vegetable pesto pasta. We paired it with some bread and also the salmon in the air fryer. And the salmon got a little dark, y'all. Left it in there a little too long, but it was still good, you guys. So this is the other dinner, for us, for a family of 7. So again, guys, if you like these type of videos, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share wherever you share your videos, and I will see y'all on my next one. Bye, y'all.